Hello dear students, myself Jasmine Ahmed, your educator for information technology for the code 402. So today I am back here with another session for class 10. In this session, I have already started this topic. The chapter name is working with multiple tables. In the last class, I have discussed multiple choice question and true or false. So today I will discuss fill in the blanks. Okay. The first question is a table to be edited is displayed in which view? It is displayed in design view. The most important prerequisite for setting a relationship between two tables is that there must be a common field. Already I have discussed in the last class that to set relationship between tables, there must have common field. So for example, this is a table and this is another table. So this one is the master table, and this all the table related to that master table are known as what? Transaction table. We all know this. So for example, in this table, this is a column, this is a column, here also this is a column. So both the column should be common. There must be at least one field that is common in between both the table, then only the relationship can be created. Okay. Then the next question is, in one-to-one relationship, one specific record of master table has one and only one corresponding record in the transaction table. For example, I am your teacher. Okay, I am teaching you all. So I am here, I am teaching only one single student. So teacher belongs to, for example, master table, and student belongs to, for example, this transaction table. Then one teacher is only one teacher from this teacher table will teach only one single student. Another teacher will teach another student. Okay, that relationship, only single teacher and single student, that relationship is known as what? One-to-one relationship. Clear? And among all the relationship, there are many relationship, for actually four: one to one, one to many, many to one, and many to many. Okay, so among all these four relationship, which one is the most common one? One to many. One to many is the most common type of relationship between tables in database. In database, what happened? We use this one to many relationship. So it cannot be a scenario that only one teacher in a school, only one teacher is teaching only one student. One teacher for once, for example, I am your IT teacher, I will teach all the student of a particular class, right? So which one is the most common one? One to many is the most common one. Clear? Next question. A record being entered in transaction table must always exist in master table. So whatever there is in the transaction table, it must be available in the master table. Then only the relationship can exist. This is also one property of relationship. Okay. The principle of referential integrity helps prevent missing data by keeping deleted data from getting out of sync. For example, there is relationship, you have deleted some information from the transaction table, but it is available in the master table. Okay, if you have deleted or you have forgotten to enter information in this particular transaction table, then it will not be miss out. Okay, that is known as referential integrity. It is maintaining the integrity. Clear? Next is creating relationship between table restrict user from entering invalid data in the reference table. If you are creating relationship, then in this transaction table, this is the reference table. In this transaction table, what happened, or in this master table, what happened, it will not allow to enter any invalid information. Okay. Data integrity is maintained by DBMS. This is one advantages of database management system. A relationship between customer and product. Many customer, many product. So it is an example of what? Many to many relationship. The 10 window is used to set relationship between the table. So this is the add window. Actually not 10 window, this is what? Add window. Add window is used to set relationship between the tables. Next is answer the following question. So give any two advantages of relating a table in database. If you are relating more than one table, what are the advantages? There are many advantages. First one is Relationship can prevent data redundancy. That means it helps to remove the redundancy. It helps prevent missing data by keeping referential integrity. Already I have discussed this portion. How is redundancy or inconsistency controlled in database? Explain with an example. Okay, let us have a look. What is redundancy? Redundancy or inconsistency is controlled in a database by setting relationship between the tables. So if you are setting relationship between tables, then the redundancy and inconsistency can be controlled in database. The most common requisite for setting relationship is that there must be a common field. This common field will help to reduce the redundancy, to remove the redundancy, not reduce, to remove the redundancy and inconsistency. Okay, for example, let us take an example. Database containing two tables. So there are two tables. One table name is what? Student details. Another name is what? Student result. And consider a common field in both the table. So let us take student table and student result, and both the table have a common field. In the student detail, the common field is set as primary key. Okay. If you, the common field that you have taken in both the table, that is set as primary key, and in the student result that common field is considered as foreign key. Okay, so thus both table holds a relation and will perform operation accordingly. So in one table, if you have set that common field as primary key, then in the second table that common field will be set as what, will be considered at what, as foreign key. We know the concept of foreign key and primary key, right? Defined referential integrity. Who maintains referential integrity in database? According to the principle of referential integrity, no unmatched foreign key values should exist in the database. No unmatched foreign key. It refers to the relationship between tables. It is used to maintain accuracy and consistency. Okay. Differentiate between one-to-one relationship and one-to-many relationship. Give suitable example to explain your answer. So one-to-one relationship, here one specific record of a master table has one and only one corresponding record in the transaction. Already I have discussed. For example, the record of the admission number in the master table. In the master table, you have the record of admission number. So in master table, student details, those student detail is the master table. In this table, what happened, the admission number is given. Okay, we'll have only one corresponding record of the same value of admission number in the transaction table of result. For example, I have taken admission. Okay, so I have only one admission number. That admission number will not given to other. That is called one to one. Admission number one particular student is only one, that is not given to other. That is this, in simple word, that is the definition given here. One to one relationship. In one to many. In one to many type of relationship, what happened, one specific record of the master table has more than one corresponding record in the related transaction table. Already I have discussed, one teacher can teach multiple students or multiple classes, or one person can sell multiple product. That is called one to many. Explain many to many with an example. What is many to many? In this type of relationship, there will be multiple record in the master table that corresponds to um, multiple record in the transaction. That means in the master table multiple record, in the transaction table also multiple table. Generally this type of relationship is set when record have to be set more than once in both the related table. Okay, for example, a teacher in a school may hold multiple responsibility, such as class teacher and activity in charge or examination in charge. Okay, for example, I am a teacher, so I am a class teacher also, I am activity in charge also, and I am examination in charge also. For each responsibility, the teacher might be attached with multiple students. So for that, those responsibility as a class teacher, for example, I am a class teacher of class 10. So all the class 10 students are related to me. Okay, I am activity in charge, so those who are performing who have taken participation in some activity, then I will be in connection with all those students. For examination, entire school exam related, any query, any information is with me, so all the students will be related with me. So I have many duties. You can say I have many duties. I am a class teacher, I am activity in charge, I am examination in charge. So I have many duties. Those many duties are related with many students. So that is called many to many. Okay. For example, in a school also many teachers are there. So all the teachers are teaching all students. That is also many to many. So these are some notes. So dear students, note down all this note and try to study each and every portion. Okay. Next, I will start queries in base. Okay. So dear students, thank you everyone. Do subscribe to my channel if you really like my videos, and also don't forget to click on the like button, and don't forget to give a value your give a comment, because your comments are very much valuable for me. It will help me to get be motivated and give more such information to you, so that I can bring more such information to you all. So thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.